Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and we needed night lights all around the house. And these mini LED lights were a great solution for us because we were able to put them all throughout the house. We have them in the office, in the kitchen, in the bathroom. They're so great for at night to give just a little bit of light so that we can see where we're going. It's a warm white light and they have a sensor on them. So they automatically go off during the day and automatically turn on at night, which is brilliant because we don't have to remember to turn on the night light before we go to bed. And the mini size makes it so nice because it doesn't take up a whole outlet. It's a very sleek design, so it just really blends in. We also love them for travel because often when you're in a hotel room or in a cabin, you're not fully familiar with the layout, and it's nice to have just a little bit of light. We have loved using and having these lights by night mini LED lights. They have worked so well for us, and they're just very convenient to have in our home and to travel with. And that's our point of view.